Hi guys, welcome back to the Rookie Chronicles. Today we are going to be making Pizookie. Pizookie is a warm cookie with ice cream on top, so let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to be needing half a cup of softened butter, 1 beaten egg, 1 cup of sugar, 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. You'll also need some ice cream. In a bowl, add flour, baking soda, and salt. You can add chocolate chips at this point, but I decided to add them at the end. Once you have all these ingredients in a bowl, start whisking it until it's all combined. In a separate bowl, add your sugar and your softened butter. Using a spoon, mix your sugar and your butter. It should look like this. Now you can add your egg and your vanilla extract. I just beat the egg in the same bowl. It should come out looking like this. Now you can add your vanilla extract. Once you've added your egg and vanilla and mix it up, add your dry ingredients a little by little. It should be coming together now. Flour your surface and start kneading your dough. It should feel like the shortbread base from our lemon bars video. Now you want to grab a piece of parchment paper. Roll your dough into a log. Now you want to wrap your parchment paper around your dough log. Twist the ends to secure the dough. Put your dough in the fridge for at least 8 hours, up to overnight. This is the next day. You need a pan where the bottom pops out. Grease the pan with the butter wrapper. We're using half of the dough. Keep the other half in the freezer. We're using the other half for another video, so keep a lookout.
You need to play with the dough until it gets soft again.
If you didn't already, add your chocolate chips. Put it in the oven at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Here's a hack. Warm up some water and dip your ice cream scoop in the water before scooping your ice cream. It makes it so much easier to scoop.
Add ice cream to your warm cookie.
We decided to eat it outside, so here's a clip of us eating it outside. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to try this recipe. See you next time.